Hey everyone, the Geekom A8 is the latest addition to Geekom's growing lineup of compact yet high-performance mini PCs, combining refined design, efficient AMD hardware, and versatile connectivity into a single elegant package. Built around the AMD Ryzen 78745HS processor, this mini PC brings impressive power to a small form factor, making it ideal for users who need a capable machine for productivity, multimedia, and even light gaming, without the bulk of a traditional desktop tower. At the heart of the Geekom A8 lies AMD's Ryzen 78745HS, an 8-core, 16-thread processor based on the Zen 4 architecture. It's paired with 32 gigs of DDR5 memory and a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, ensuring fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and quick file access. Graphics duties are handled by the integrated Radeon 780M, one of AMD's most capable integrated GPUs, which allows for fluid 4K video playback and light gaming at modest settings. From a design standpoint, Geekom maintains its premium aesthetic with an aluminum chassis that feels both durable and sleek. The brushed metal finish gives it a professional appearance suitable for both home offices and corporate workspaces. Despite the power inside, the A8 remains incredibly compact, easily fitting in the palm of a hand or tucked behind a monitor using a VESA mount. This design philosophy is a hallmark of Geekom's approach, delivering workstation-level performance in an ultra-portable form factor. Connectivity is another of the A8's strengths. The mini PC offers a comprehensive array of ports, including multiple USB-A and USB 4 ports, dual HDMI outputs, and a card reader, providing plenty of flexibility for external displays, peripherals, and storage devices. This makes it a practical option for users who need a reliable compact system that can connect seamlessly with a variety of equipment. Thermal performance has been handled thoughtfully. During everyday use, such as web browsing, document editing, or streaming, the Geekom A8 operates quietly, with fan noise barely noticeable. When pushed under heavier workloads or during gaming sessions, the fans do ramp up slightly, but they remain well within a tolerable range. The advanced cooling design ensures stable clock speeds and sustained performance without thermal throttling, a common issue in smaller systems. In benchmarks and real-world use, the Geekom A8 proves to be a well-rounded performer. It handles daily computing tasks effortlessly, provides excellent responsiveness, and maintains consistent performance over long sessions. Its efficiency also makes it suitable for continuous use, whether as a main workstation, a media hub, or a compact secondary PC for creative work. Overall, the Geekom A8 is an impressive small form factor PC that successfully combines performance, aesthetics, and practicality. Its robust AMD Ryzen 7 processor, fast DDR5 memory, and modern connectivity options make it a strong contender in the mini PC market of 2025. While it lacks a dedicated AI engine, it compensates with its balanced performance, quiet operation, and premium build quality. For users seeking a compact yet powerful desktop replacement that looks as good as it performs, the Geekom A8 stands out as one of the best options currently available, a smart choice for professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video interesting. Have a nice day and God bless you.